The double slit experiment. What it means for life and consciousness. Have you ever wondered if reality is really as solid as it seems? If life is something fixed, or if it bends depending on how we look at it? Over 100 years ago, scientists set up a simple test. A wall with 2 slits and a screen behind it. They fired tiny particles like electrons through those slits to see what would happen. Now, if electrons were just little balls, you'd expect them to go through one slit or the other, leaving 2 neat lines. But that's not what they saw. Instead, a strange wave-like pattern appeared, as if each electron spread out like water and went through both slits at once. Particles, acting like waves. So the scientists tried something different. They placed detectors to watch which slit the particle actually went through. And suddenly, the pattern changed. The wave disappeared and the electrons behaved like solid little balls again. Just by observing, the outcome was different. This experiment has been repeated countless times, even with larger particles like atoms and molecules. And the result is always the same. At the smallest level, reality is not fixed. Things exist as possibilities until they are observed. Now think about that for a moment. If observation changes the outcome at the quantum level, what does that mean for us? It suggests that what we focus on, what we give our attention to, shapes the reality we experience. Just like the particle chooses its path when observed, our lives choose a direction when we place our awareness on it. The double slit experiment teaches us something profound. Reality is not as rigid as it appears. It's fluid, flexible, and filled with infinite possibilities. And our consciousness, our thoughts, beliefs, and focus play a part in collapsing those possibilities into the world we live in. So maybe the real question is this: what reality are you observing into being today?